Welcome to Brain Vision.
So remember that we said that tangent of 2 beta is equal to 4, or rather b over a minus c. So in this case we have our b is equal to negative 6 root 3, and then we're going to divide by a minus c. So 13 minus 7 gives us 6, and this gives us negative root 3. Well, we know tangent of theta gives us negative root 3 when this angle 2 beta is equal to negative 60 degrees. And so beta is equal to negative 30 degrees. So we have found beta. So now let's use invariance to solve this for our new equation in our capital X and capital Y plane. Well, we have our first invariant that our constants have to equal. So negative 100 will equal to negative 100 after the transformation. And our second invariant is that a plus c will be equal to a plus c. So we have 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 gives us 20. So 20 is equal to a plus c after the transformation. And lastly, we have our discriminant. So we have b squared, which is 36 times 3 minus 4 times 13 times 7. So this gives us negative 256. And so remember, we have a circle here since this is a negative value. And this is equal to, remember we want b to be equal to 0. So we have 0 minus 4ac, minus 4ac. So let's divide negative 256 by negative 4. We get 64, should be equal to a times c. And we also know that 20 is equal to a plus c. So 20 minus a is equal to c. So 64 is equal to a times 20 minus a. Well, we can solve for this and say negative a squared, or rather a squared. Let's say this is a squared. A squared minus 20a, and then we would normally subtract 64, but we're going to add it. So 64 is equal to 0. And so this is a minus 20a. And so solving for this gives us a value of a equal to 4, right? And so a would be equal to 4. And plugging this in for c, now we have c is equal to 16. C is equal to 16, right? And so our new equation is 4x squared plus 16y squared is equal to 100. And we can simplify this and say x squared plus 4y squared is equal to 25, right? And so this is our equation. And I've graphed this equation here, or this function here. So this is our new x. Remember, this is a 60-degree transformation. So this is x, and this is our y. This is also 60 degrees. And notice that we do in fact have an ellipse. And so when I said we have negative 256 as our discriminant, I meant to say this could be either an ellipse or a circle, one of the two. So we have determined that this is in fact an ellipse.